Hi everyone! The babies! Hi guys! What's everyone doing today? Hi Mac. Here's Mac. And Mac is currently still available for adoption. And Miss Cookie Girl, how are you, Cookie? And there's Valentine. Her new name is Zoe. And then we got Leo. Hi Leo. And his name is going to stay Leo. And they're so excited to see me. Huh? What you guys been doing? I know. You guys are like a little claw machine. Pick me, pick me. Huh? But we wanted to check in and say hi. Videos are a little easier because we get so excited and we like to move around when it's time for Grandma to try to get a video, but it's almost mission impossible now. Nope. Hi, how are you? You're a good boy. Hi. All right, everybody say happy Thursday. We'll get more videos later. And you guys are too cute. You get away with everything, don't you? What? I know, Leo. Leo. Hello. All right, say bye-bye.